Hello ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to this video. A very warm welcome to another video of mine. Well, today I'm gonna talk about the planet Mars. You know, on the 5th of December 2021, the planet Mars will go into the Scorpio sign from the Libra sign, and it is gonna stay there in the Scorpio sign until 16th of January 2022. So, this planet Mars will be in the Scorpio sign for approximately 45 days. You know, this particular planet Mars will also be in conjunction with the planet Ketu, which is also a fire planet. I mean, it has a fire element in it. Hence, this particular Mars is gonna be very powerful at this point in time. You know, I have already talked about this conjunction and this aspect of Rahu on the planet Mars in one of my earlier videos. If you want to watch that video, I'm giving you a link to that video in the description section below. You know, you can consider this video to be the second part of that particular video. You know, astrology is like an ocean. You can keep talking about, debating about, arguing about a particular subject for hours and hours. And because I thought I wanted to tell you all something significant, hence I'm making a continuation of that particular video. I mean, this video would be the second part of that particular video. At this point in time, the planet Mars will be in its own zodiac sign. It will be in its own territory. That means the planet Mars will be very strong at this point in time. You know, the planet Mars represents a lot of things. It represents a warrior. It represents bravery. It represents courage. It represents confidence. It represents the will to move forward. It represents determination. It represents a warrior. It represents a warlike situation. And at this point in time, the planet Mars will be very powerful. But the only problem at this point in time is the planet Rahu aspecting the planet Mars. Rahu throwing its seventh aspect on the planet Mars will be kind of an Angarak yoga at this point in time. But the planet Mars is gonna remain strong. Hence, it is not gonna give any sort of negative results at this point in time. This time is gonna be a time to fight. You know, in spite of Rahu throwing its seventh aspect on Mars, the planet Mars is gonna fight at this particular moment. It is gonna remain strong at this particular moment. It is gonna conquer its enemies at this point in time. Mars is gonna teach you how to fight at this particular moment because the planet Mars will be remaining strong. And the planet Mars is basically a warrior. You know, seeing the planetary positions and the aspect of Rahu on the planet Mars, I want to tell you all something today. I want to tell you all that at this point in time, you must fight. You must fight for everything you are doing at this point in time. You know, life is a fight for territory. And once you stop fighting for what you want, the things which you don't want will automatically take over. I repeat that life is a fight for territory. And once you stop fighting for what you want, the things which you don't want will automatically take over. For example, if you don't take good care of your health, if you don't eat or drink properly, if you don't exercise, if you don't do some physical exercise, if you don't count your calories before you eat that particular food, I mean, if you don't fight for your health, then automatically you will become unhealthy one day. So at this point in time, you will have to fight for everything. You will have to fight for your money. You will have to fight for your relationships. You will have to fight in that job you are doing. You will have to fight in that business which you are doing. You will have to fight for your love relationships. You are gonna have to fight for your health at this point in time. You know, you are not gonna get anything on a silver platter at this point in time. And you must tell yourself at this point in time that you are not going down without a fight. You know, this particular life which we are living itself is a fight. Every day a human being fights to live. A human being fights to earn money. A human being fights to survive in this world. Everyone in this world is fighting his or her own battle. However small it may be, everyone is fighting some kind of a battle. So, if the planet Mars teaches you to fight at this particular moment, there is nothing new you will be doing at this point in time. It is a normal routine for human beings to fight. Let's take another example of a business person. A business person wants to earn money in his business and wants it to grow. Hence, he or she has to fight for it. An employee has to work hard in that company where he is working. Hence, he is fighting to stay in that company and earn a salary in that job. You can apply this fight to any area of your life, in any sphere of your life, in any arena of your life, in any field of your life. You know, everything is a fight in this world. You know, if you fight in your life, then there are chances of you winning a fight. But if you don't fight, then you are bound to lose. So at this point in time, when Mars is in the Scorpio sign, you need to fight for everything. And one more thing I want to tell you all, that this planet Mars wants to create its own path. You know, don't go where the path may lead, but instead go where there is no path and leave a trail. I mean, you need to create your own path, your own identity in your life at this point in time. Don't be a follower at this point in time. Try to be original in your life at this point in time. You know, most of the people in this world are following the follower, but you must create a new path for yourself. In other words, don't be conformed to this world. The operating word there is conformed. Well, if you want to be great in life, then you don't need to conform to this world. I mean, don't follow the rules and standards of this world. Wherever the majority of the people are going, move in the opposite direction. Well, this planet Mars in the Scorpio sign will teach you to be unique in this world, and therefore it is gonna make you great in this world. I mean, at this point in time as well as in the future. So, just start building a new path for yourself. Start building an original identity for yourself, so that when you become great in that work, people start to recognize you. You become famous in that particular field in which you will start working. Do something which is original at this point in time. And remind yourself that you ain't gonna go down without a fight. All I want to tell you all is that do something unique at this point in time. Try to innovate things at this point in time. Don't copy others at this point in time. And if you start walking on that path which no one has walked on, then you are bound to see success at this point in time and later on. Well, this is all I wanted to tell you all about this planet Mars in the Scorpio sign, aspected by the planet Rahu. Well, if you are interested in hearing about some predictions about these conjunctions, about all the moon signs, all the ascendant signs, then I have given a link in the description section below. You can click on that link for predictions. If you want some specific predictions about yourself, then you can contact me directly. Well, like I always say, that if you wish to know your future through astrology, and you are determined to live the best possible version of yourself, well, one must always try to live his or her best version of themselves, because there is only one life to live. There are no duplicates of a life. You will not get a chance to live this beautiful life once again. And if you want to enhance your luck in your life, if you want to boost your luck in your life, then I have several remedies for you. These remedies which I'm talking about are a fusion of astrological remedies, Vastu remedies, religious remedies, which can be utilized by any person of any religion. If you want me to pray for you, as you know that prayer can move mountains. If you want me to pray for your health, wealth, money, career, job, business, love life, etc., 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 then also you can contact me. I can also be contacted for a Vastu visit for your flat, office, factory, residence, etc., etc., etc. And if you are hell bent on taking your life from the ridiculous to the sublime, from the low point to the high point, from nothing to something, then you can contact me over WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number has been given on this video. Have a great day and a great time ahead. God bless you all. Jai Mata Di, Jai Ma Kali.